Hi, it's Krista and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the Trendy Foxy eyes makeup tutorial. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because I worked really hard on this eye look. Also leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out them sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment.
Okay, so excuse my hair because I just did not want to wash my hair. I just got out of the shower and I was like, I'm not washing my hair. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is take some tape and I'm gonna tape up my eye. So I want to put the tape going up, like super angled up towards the brow. This hopefully is gonna help me to have a better wing because I'm not good at doing wings, but we're gonna see how it goes. Now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape and prime my eyelids. I'm using a little bit of a lighter shade than I normally use. I'm using Light Sand. And I'm just gonna blend that out with a brush all over the lid and up to the brow bone. I hope this turns out well. Well, if you guys are seeing this video, then it turned out well, because if it sucks, then I'm just gonna delete the footage or probably never finish and you'll never see this. I'm gonna use the Friendcation palette today. I'm gonna set my eyes with this basic. Okay, we're gonna start out with Necessary, this little bit deeper shade, and the Alamar Cosmetics blending brush. I always use this brush. I'm gonna put this in the crease. And with this look, we're really gonna wing it out to the brow. So focus on building every color out into a wing shape. We're gonna pull this color out farther because it's gonna help us blend. I'm gonna go with the Luxie 229 Taper Blending. It's just a little bit smaller of a blending brush. And I'm gonna go with Churro. We're gonna do literally the exact same thing with this and start to build it up in the crease. We're gonna keep this color just a little bit lower. Make sure you concentrate on getting it as dark as possible right along the tape so that whenever you peel off the tape, it's a really defined line. With this shade, I'm gonna pull it onto my lid about halfway in. I'm gonna go back with that other brush and lightly blend out. You wanna avoid the inner corner, the inner half of your eye, but if you get it on the inner portion of your lid, it's okay because we're gonna go back with that other color and lighten it back up. Okay, now I'm gonna take this even smaller little brush. This is from Moda, a detail brush, and I'm gonna take Jeans, the darkest brown, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing, making the darkest part right along the line here where the tape is and pulling it in about halfway and then into the crease. On this color, I'm gonna drag it out really closely to the tape, and since the brush is kind of smaller and pointed, it's gonna create almost like a wing effect. Switching back between the brushes and blending out. Since I didn't have a brown liner and I didn't want to use a black because I don't want it to be too harsh, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Dip Brow in medium brown. I'm gonna try to show you guys this eye because my camera is about to die, and then I'm gonna go off camera and do my face because I forgot to charge my camera, and then I'll be back to finish the eyes if it cuts off before I get finished, but I'm gonna try to get this in. I'm basically just gonna take this and make a winged liner. So I have the outer portion there. I know it may be hard to see on camera because this is brown, so it's kind of blending in. And then I'm going to lightly, with the tiniest line, pull it into the inner corner. I'm gonna go back to that basic color and I'm gonna brighten up the inner corner here just a little bit. This is an Alamar Cosmetics little flat brush, just like that, and then I'm gonna lightly tap out right at that corner with this brush. So the light portion kind of goes in the inner corner and then it kind of slopes out and it blends into that darker brown. You could cut your crease if you wanted to do that, but I have no desire to do that because this is already enough for me. Okay, so my camera is flashing. I think it's about to cut off. So you see what I did with this eye? I just put that what would be brown liner basically, and then I added the lighter portion on the inner corner. So I'm going to go to this eye and do that, and then I'm going to put on lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have finished up my eyes pretty much. I'm going to finish the lower lash line with you guys and give you guys some tips on other ways to pull your eyes up to get that fox look. So I put on foundation and a little bit of concealer, but right now I'm going to go in with some cream contour. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand so that it's easier to pick up. I'm going to take it on this Real Techniques brush, Instapop cheek brush. So I'm going to dab onto the back of my hand and kind of spread it out so that it's not a lot. And I'm going to start contouring. Now this is nothing new. This is not a new technique. This is what I always do right here. However, normally I would bring my contour through here. But today, since we want that really snatched look, we're going to brighten up this area so that it's all bright all the way back to your hairline. So whenever you're doing your contour, you want to avoid that area. So you're going to go here and then you're going to go just up here and pull that. It's kind of hard to do with these little dangly pieces, but pull that back up into your hairline starting around the top of the brow. So skip this area all next to the eye and the brow and just contour above. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just doing this in a stippling motion to not disturb the foundation underneath. And this is a super soft brush, so it blends out really easily. It helps to put it on the back of your hand so that you don't get like that line if you apply it straight to your face. Again, I'm going to skip this area, go to the top of the brow, and drag it back into my hairline. This bodysuit is from Pretty Little Thing that I have on. If you guys haven't seen my last video, go back to my channel and check out the Pretty Little Thing haul that I did. I have some really cute pieces on there. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys a tip with the eyes. Whenever you get your lashes, the lashes that I have on are Kiss lashes in the style Teddy, but whenever you get your lashes to use with this look, try to get a lash that is shorter on the inner corner and then gets longer and wings out. The ones that I have on, they do that. However, they're not super dramatic with the wing. So what I did is I actually, you guys probably cannot see because I put mascara on my regular lashes to hide it, but whenever you're applying the lash, put it on the middle of your eye and then apply the inner corner as you usually would, as close to your lash line as possible. And then whenever you apply the outer corner, slightly raise it above the lash line there so that it actually goes like right on the top of your lid, like right above your eyelashes, and it will automatically give you a more of a winged effect with the lashes. That's one little tip that you can do. The other thing is I'm gonna take that concealer that I said I usually don't use. It's a little bit light for me, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I already have on some concealer, however I'm gonna add a little bit more just right here, just a little bit. I don't want to put a lot because I don't want it to be super dramatic, but another way to help bring out that where you did not put that contour is to add a lighter concealer and drag that back into your hairline. So that just creates more of a pulled up effect on the eyeshadow. It just makes it stand out a little bit more. Let me set my under eyes first and get this creasing under control. So I'm setting my under eyes really quickly with the Collab loose setting powder. First we're going to drag that setting powder up to set that concealer that we placed down. The next thing to finish up the eyes, I'm going to take a black liner. If I had a brown one, I would actually use that. I'm only going to take this liner, I'm going to run it on my waterline only halfway. Okay, I'm going back to the Friendcation palette and that little pencil brush that I had. And I'm going to take a combination of the two darker shades that were Churro and Jeans. Keep it close to the lower lash line. I don't want to smoke it out too much. Blend that darker shade right back into that wing shape. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is add a little elongation to the inner corner of the eye. This is the Essence Superfine Eyeliner Pen. I just wanted something that had a little pen because that eyebrow pomade was pretty hard to work with, so I'm going to attempt to do this with this. You're just going, I don't know if I can even get this on camera because I have to be so into the mirror, but you're literally just going to pull the inner corner of your eye slightly down, basically. Okay, so I'm going to do it just like that. If you guys know me, you know I don't do wing liner because I just can't stay steady because I really suck at doing this. Told you guys this might be a fail. Either way, I'm going to set my contour really quickly with the Hoola bronzer and this Luxie Precision Foundation brush. Okay, so I think that's the best it's gonna get. I know it's not the best, but that's just where we're at. I'm gonna line my lips with the LA Girl lip liner in Cafe. Okay, I'm putting on the ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Gloss in Beechwood. Okay, so this is the final look. This is my take on Foxy Eyes, the little trend that's going on. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't think that I did a good job on the inner corner, but aside from that, I think this looks really good. It's definitely not my usual look, and I can definitely tell a difference in the eyes. So if you guys like this video, if you guys want me to try any other trends or different looks, comment down below, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.